Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about different documents, spreadsheets and presentations that is useful in your office use. LibreOffice is a complete suite of software that comes along with the Ubuntu 12 by default. You can find them in your launcher or you can search for that. I have that in my launcher. This is LibreOffice Writer, which works almost same as MS Word. You'll find it very familiar if you know MS Word already. You can type in any text and then by selecting that you can actually format it according to you. It supports UTF-8 encoding and different text encodings. This is how easy to format any text, and you can also save this. We will save it on desktop. Let's say 1. Its extension is ODT, which is Open Document Type. We'll close it. Same way with LibreOffice Calc, which works identically as Microsoft's MS Excel. This allows you to do accounting and some spreadsheet work very quickly. You'll find a similar menu over here: File, Edit, View and other. To find any help on LibreOffice, press F1 or go to Help. We will close it for now. And the third is LibreOffice Impress, which works same as PowerPoint. You can add more slides. There are different views. And other various styles, design, etc. The similar menu is over here, and you can find some editing tools and formation tools below. So this is how you can create presentations with LibreOffice Impress. This was a quick and easy tutorial on the office tools that comes along with Ubuntu. Thank you.